morning, y'all. It's a little bit later in the morning. I think it's a little bit after 10. Everybody's doing their schoolwork. I'm getting me a little bit more coffee. The coffee pot has already turned off though, so I'm probably gonna have to heat this up in the microwave, but coffee was needed. Glad there was a little bit left. Coming to see how warm it is out here this morning. It's supposed to still be pretty warm, but not as warm as it was the past couple of days. Ooh, it's windy. Had a little dust cloud roll through there. We had to get more gravel to put in our little, Tyler calls it a, what does he call it? Roundabout or something? I don't know what he calls it, but this is, you know, where they go out around this way. We got gravel put in, I guess about a year ago or so right there, but we had to have some more brought out, so when the wind gets up, it's really dusty right now. And just like that, it's lunchtime. I'm making some tuna salad real quick. Titus is already home this afternoon. He's out there working on something in the backyard, and I'm just doing the really easy one. I have a couple of eggs boiling on the stovetop. So with this can of tuna, I'll just mix some salt, pepper, mayonnaise, and one of those eggs, I think. I did two just in case Jonah wanted some, but he wanted a corn dog instead. We're getting the chicken ready for supper tonight. I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil on each side of the chicken. And we have this lemon butter garlic Kinder seasoning that we're gonna put on both sides. I forgot to open the seasoning, so we'll go ahead and put the olive oil on the chicken, and then we'll open that up and season it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan. I already sprayed the pan. We're gonna let it sit out for 30 minutes. And so in about 20 minutes or so, I'll start preheating the oven to 375. Okay, let me wash my hands real quick. It's only gonna take the chicken about 20 to 30 minutes to bake in the oven. So once we get it in, we're gonna go ahead and put some sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna make some green beans on the stovetop. So once I season them, we're gonna put them straight over into the pan. That smells really good, but I'm afraid it's a little too lemony for some of the kids' liking, so I'm just gonna do 3 with the lemon garlic butter. The others, we'll just put some salt and pepper on and let those bake, and we'll put barbecue sauce on them. Manly wanted a 1/4 cup of milk. Yep, 1/4 cup.
I'm gonna always use this as a cup.
Potatoes are done, green beans are done, chicken is almost done.
Really good. Going to the trampoline with Sissy?
Yeah.
You left your boots on the porch. Gotta make sure nothing wanted to go up in there and camp out for the night, right?
Mm-hmm.
All clear.
Oh, Ann was in there camping out.
No, he was on the porch. Hey, little guy.
Wait, where is he?
Right here.
Oh, ants can go pretty fast in there, and they can go underneath stuff.
Mm-hmm. Hope you got me lots of eggs. This was for their cracked corn. They kept on messing it up. Oh, there's an egg. This was their old water thing. We had to get them a new one because this one got messed up. Also, this was for their cracked corn back when it was really cold, like really, really cold. I kept them some cracked corn in here too, along with their feed. I don't even know what happened to the bottom of their cracked corn thing. Oh, there's another egg. It's like an Easter egg hunt. Sometimes they all lay in the same spot, and then other times they can be anywhere. One of them's been laying over at the wood pile. See, they're over here now. Roosty, you gotta keep these girls in line. We need them to lay the eggs inside the coop. Tyler said there was one up here the other day. Are you the one? I don't see any. Tyler must have got that one he said was up here. Oh, there it is. So we have 3. They might give us some more before nighttime. We'll see. We had 5 yesterday. I'm looking forward to spring when everybody will lay one a day. Pretty ones though. We got a blue one, a brown one, and a light brown one. We're about to make a Fluffernutter pie. We've made peanut butter pies a lot. A few different kinds of peanut butter pie, but I've never made a Fluffernutter pie that I can remember. I don't think I have. This one is really fast. You can make it really fast, but it needs to sit in the refrigerator for a little while, but it's gonna come together in like 5 minutes. It's really easy. Now I have some Cool Whip. The plan was for the weekend dessert for tomorrow and Sunday was a strawberry marshmallow pie, but the kids requested a different dessert instead of the strawberry marshmallow pie. I'm gonna run this little spreader under some hot water so I can get all the marshmallow fluff. Well, this is actually the marshmallow cream, but y'all know they have a brand that's called Marshmallow Fluff. Anyway, I'm gonna run this under some hot water so I can get all this out of here a little easier. I've never done that before, but when I was just looking at the little recipe things here on the jar, it said to do that. So we're gonna do it, and we're gonna take off the whisk attachment because that's not the one I need. I don't know why I put that on there. I was talking to y'all, not paying attention. Okay, so we need the whole jar of the marshmallow cream. This is 7 ounces, right? Yeah. 7-ounce jar. Okay, we're gonna put in about 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm just gonna eyeball it. When all the kids are outside, you get to be the one to lick the spoon and taste the marshmallow fluff and the peanut butter together, and it's wonderful. Okay, paddle attachment. There you are. Okay, we're gonna mix those two together. Now we're gonna put in 2 cups of the whipped topping, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. This is one of those recipes that does not have to be exact. I think that's about 2 cups there, maybe a little more. Mix again. Okay, we're gonna scrape down the sides. Make sure we get all that peanut butter and marshmallow cream that's up under there. This is gonna be good, I think, y'all. Now the other favorite of the kids with the peanut butter pies is the one that's pretty much like a peanut butter cheesecake, but we just call it peanut butter pie. They love that one. Some of them even request that for their birthday, sometimes instead of a cake. Okay, we'll mix a little more. That's it. We're just gonna pour this into the crust. I just have a graham cracker crust. Most of the time, I like a shortbread crust better if I'm using a pre-baked crust, but the kids like graham cracker crust better, so that's what I get. I've got a feeling this is gonna be their new favorite peanut butter pie. I think they will like it even better than the cheesecake one, because that is good. See how fast it comes together? We're almost done. We're just gonna put this in the refrigerator. You can take 5 minutes if you're making one, 10 minutes if you're making 2 on Friday or Saturday, and go ahead and just put these things together, stick them in the refrigerator, and you've got Sunday dessert ready for you. Since I wasn't planning on making this one, I don't have any like things we can decorate the top with, but it would be really good. We've done this before. I know I did this with a peanut butter cake one time. I think I did it with one of the peanut butter pies too, but we took some mini Reese's cups, the little miniature ones, chop them up into little pieces and just sprinkle those on top. I'm having a hard time with getting this glue off this lid right here, y'all. It is, oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, we'll wash that. We're gonna pour this into the pie crust. I'm just spread that out. And as I'm spreading this, because I kind of just made up this deal here, y'all, you might want to do just a little bit more of the whipped topping maybe, because you can see I'm barely filling this up here. If you want it to be extra full, just add a little bit more whipped topping. I don't think it would hurt anything, but the taste is great right now. Where it's at is perfect. And yeah, you could decorate it with some little, maybe even some of those little peanut butter baking chips or something. Okay, let me dry off the top real quick. It just needs to stay in the refrigerator until it's ready to slice. I would think about 3 hours, at least 3 hours, but overnight would probably, you know, be best. There we go, Fluffernutter pie.